hauling light loads up here in Wisconsin. I swear, I think I almost flew off the road a few times with this fuel aisle. I had to wait for you like 20 minutes. Parking. Keep blocking the fuel aisle, man. Finally got loaded. It's time to close those doors. We gotta go to Wisconsin. What's going on, man? How you doing? That's it, huh?
Yeah.
All right. That stuff was light too.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, paperwork back in the office?
Uh-huh.
All right, cool, man. Appreciate you. We've been waiting for a while. No one's opening the door. I want to go because we've been here for like over 2 hours to get loaded. I gotta get my paperwork. Let's go. Oh, it's taking so long.
Wisconsin.
Yeah. Let's G. Woo! Under 5,000 pounds. Look at that. Y'all see it? Right there. Dude, that is amazing. We're literally sitting at 4,229 pounds. That is nothing. Hauling reefer usually takes up to like over 40,000 pounds. But this load, that's probably my boss column. Look at that dude. Yeah, I don't know him. Go follow him. Way back when I first started trucking, we used to pull like 2 to 3 loads out of that place per week. 2 hours and something away. I guess it wasn't too bad, but this is a dry load. I expected it to be loaded a lot quicker, but I mean, what you gonna do? We need to stop by and we need to get some fuel. It's getting late outside, and now the guy that blocked the fuel aisle didn't even get fuel. He literally blocked the aisle, and then when he got there, he actually honked the horn for the guy in front of him to move. Wow. You know, that could have been me right there, but most addicting thing ever. Yeah, boy. If y'all like seeing me stuff my face, smash the subscribe button and hit that thumbs up one twice. Spicy. This stuff, mango lassi. That stuff's so addictive, man. So good, but it's like a yogurt drink and it just comes down all the spiciness. Whoo! That food was seriously, absolutely phenomenal. Man, exit 123 on I-70. Y'all need to check them out up here in Indiana. This is the best Indian food I've had. You know what's good when you have, I've never seen so many Indians in one spot. You know this stuff is good if their own people go there to eat, man. But hey, food is food, man, you know. We're putting on the pounds, sadly. We got 542 miles left to go. We should make it tonight to our destination, and our delivery's first thing in the morning. We stopped to fuel. at this pilot right here. I gotta go ask a driver a question, because this guy right here, he just blocked on the fuel aisle for like the longest time, and like 3 drivers had to wait to get to a pump. I just want to ask him what's taking him so long. Hey, I just want to ask why you're blocking the fuel aisle. No, you're blocking the fuel aisle. I had to wait for you like 20 minutes because I thought you were inside before I could start fueling. I went inside, I come back, you're still here. Are you on break? No. Then why are you waiting?
Because I was inside.
You were in your sleep, I didn't see you inside. Stop lying. Parking.
No, you're not seeing me. No, you're not seeing me. Man,
this dude, he blocking the fuel aisle, man. There's 2 parking spots open, and he's just chilling in this truck. I usually don't like doing that, but that guy, he's still at the fuel aisle. He's still over there. He was just taking his 30-minute break. I usually don't do that, but he wasted 20 minutes of my time. I mean, look, parking. Sheesh. Anywho, we gotta go. Let's G. We gotta get empty. First thing in the morning. Peace out. Good night. Man, we checked in. It's supposed to be at 7 a.m., but they said 8. And they're not gonna get to me until they picked all their stuff for their customers. But at least they gave us a door, so. All right, let's get it. Man, it is cold here in Wisconsin. Sheesh. But anyways, we got in the dock and now we're just waiting to get empty. They said it shouldn't be too long. They're gonna start at 8 o'clock. It is 8 o'clock. It's supposed to be 7. But what do you know? They lied to us. But all we gotta do is just wait now, right? But they're working on my trailer right now. They're actually unloading me as we speak, which is awesome. Dude, those reviews were wrong, completely wrong. But for real, I don't know what the whole thing with the reviews was about this place, because I read them and they said, hey, you know, 4-hour wait, 5-hour wait, all that stuff. That hasn't been happening. They're unloading fairly quick. I guess if you get here first thing in the morning, you're the first one to leave. So it's all good. Forget those reviews. By the way, as soon as we get empty, I got some awesome news for y'all. I'm so excited. Let's go. Thank you so much. Have a good one. All right, boys, we're good. We got empty. I tried to take a little nap and it didn't really work with all the shaking. So we're good. Clean bills. Time to start up this truck and get out of here. Send these over to the boss so we can get paid and get that good money. Time to close those doors. Let's G. Let's go. Oh. My load locks are gone. These guys forgot to put in the load locks. Let's go get those. I forgot to get the load locks back in my trailer.
Well, I don't know what you're talking about. Well, I don't know what you're talking about. Well, I don't know what you're talking about.
These right here?
Oh,
the load locks?
ours?
Yeah. Perfect. Thank you so much. All right, awesome. All right, thank you. All right, let's go. Guess it's the easy way to carry them, right? I think it was my second load that I did with this company, and I took my load bars out and put them beside my truck, and I'm not used to that. Some companies require you to do that. I took off without putting them back. I don't have extra ones, so I had to buy some out of my own pocket. But heck, what you gonna do? Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks so much. Look, if y'all like this stuff, y'all know what to do. Peace out. Let's go. Let's G. See you next time.